What is up, guys? Done at the site. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam purchase error. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in Steam. After typing, you will be welcomed to this page of Steam, wherein on the right side at the top, you will see the login button here. Simply click on that login button, and if you already have a Steam account, you will be automatically logged in to the Steam homepage. But if you don't have a Steam account, you need to create your Steam account by entering your email, password, and the credentials. And after that, your new Steam account will be created. Now, after creating your new account, on the left side, you can see this icon of Install Steam. Simply click on that and install Steam on your computer or PC. Now, after installing Steam on your PC, on the right side, you can click on this Manage Account option and then click on View My Profile. Sorry guys, a bit of a mistake. You need to click here and then you need to click for account details. And after coming to the account details, you have to click on View Purchase History, which is on the right side at the top. And now here you will see all the games that you have purchased or all the games whose purchase is pending. So just simply retry that payment and it might take some time and it should be after some times because due to some internet connection or server issues or payment gateways, there is some error so that it shows the app purchasing or game purchasing error. So you just need to restart it, but if it takes more time, you just need to remove it and then repurchase it. So this will solve all these issues. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.